Welcome to school too. School too.
This one you are running like this. What is happening to you?
Pastor D.
No. Pastor is not around.
Utu, I beg, I need your help. You get one small problem when I enter inside now. I beg, you know, so to be treasurer now. No let you fear me and you be my guy. I will return the money, just 20K. Just give me small from that church money. That goes at my, I beg.
It's a church offering.
I beg. I need them. If I don't need them, I no will come meet you. I beg.
I beg first. Stand up first. I don't like this.
I beg. I will return them. Before Pastor will come back next week, I will return them. I beg.
Yeah, wait. Let me.
This day will look.
Please, I don't want to hear story.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Ajé olókun, àìkúbalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ti fi lé mi ṣe ibùgbé o. Àyíṣe kówó, àyíṣe kọ́lá o.
Hey! This ex-man wait us and no go make her for my life. Jesus, what you go do?
Abare.
Ex-man!
Abare, my man. See my secondary school friend. See Abare, my guy. Hey, my Abare. How you doing now? You never still make am. You dey trek up and down. You never still make am. So far, don't dey tire you.
Me?
I
don't make am o.
You don't make am.
I don't
See you dey trek for road. Dey look.
You know
so haggard.
This road no good. Okay. And I know if they drive Benz for here, so I park for street there.
Okay. So you don't buy Benz? You buy Benz?
I get like 3 cars now.
3 cars?
No be you dey toss am no go make am.
So you don't finally make am?
Oh my days, you know more worry to your love.
Because for secondary school I know say you stubborn. Now me still talk and say you don't go make am. And you don't make am now. Congratulations my brother. What did they do for this area now? What are you doing here now?
Actually, na block.
Jesus is Lord. You dey build house.
Na you say I no go make am.
No, na that time na. Na that time they think say you no go make am before. Now you don't make am.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Okay,
this block. Yeah, I want to buy block. I will send my boys to come and carry it, but I want to pay by myself. So how much is all this block?
That's 25,000 naira.
25,000. Wow. Actually, I have just 20,000 naira here, but what will happen is when you bring it to the site, I will give you the balance. Okay?
Sir, we don't do like that. Maybe when you pay completely, you come for your blocks. Like you have to pay. Don't worry. Once you pay, we have free bus that's gonna come and deliver it for you.
Free delivery?
Yes.
With which bus?
Don't worry. We have our bus there. Free delivery.
That white bus?
Yeah, that
white.
Oh,
okay.
You don't make am. So your house now, you don't make the investment. Hey.
Yeah, this 20,000 naira.
Hey. Okay. Anyhow, make me go now about it.
All right, now.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you. Secretary.
Yes, sir.
Come.
I've not sold anything except from this one. This one just paid right now.
Okay, you've not sold anything this morning.
Not at all.
Okay, fine, no problem. Let me have it.
That's 20,000.
20,000. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. I'll be back. Let me get some materials. Okay.
All right.
Take care.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Oh, that man. That's my boss. He owns this place and everything here.
You want to own this block?
Yeah.
He's the owner of all these blocks.
Jesus is Lord.
Hello?
School too. Naja we dey.